क्या आप भी किसी अपने सपने मेरे तुम्हारे टीम 11 पे टीम बना रहे हो और बच्चों के साथ खेल रहे हो? हमारे साथ खेलोगे? हाउस पे खेलो लेजेंड्स के साथ, हमें हराओ और जीतो डबल कैश। Log on to houseit.com and win real cash.
I'll tell you, this is the SG ball. I'll just tell you. Uh, Normally, we have seen bowlers, what they do is they do this. Lot of spinners do this when they're bowling quick. But what I'm saying is there's this very small thing. Your index finger, once you start giving revolution to the ball, even if the wicket is flat, at least there will be some help to you. Even if it doesn't turn, the ball will hold a bit, or maybe in the air it may drift. So any pace that you bowl at, it is your comfort, but you have to give the revolution. Revolution is very important nowadays. Maybe because of the T20 cricket, the dominance, spinners have started bowling Yorkers, wide, fuller lengths, or maybe those quicker bouncers or something. Because of that, a lot of spinners, they at times they forget. They have it in them, but at times they forget to give that revolution. That's what I feel. And coming back to the challenges, this is the Kokobura ball. If you see, I'll show you from the sideways. See the seam. There's no seam at all. It's just gone in. It's just gone in. Yes, it's an old ball, but I'm just trying to show you. So to grip the ball, it is difficult. So at times, what we used to do is we used to grip like this. At times, when you are not able to grip it conventionally, you grip it this way to try and give the revolution to the ball. So this is the challenge that normally Indians face when they bowl with Kokobura ball. And the same way, because the Australians and the Sri Lankans, the great Muthai Muralitharan, he was not comfortable with SG ball. He was not comfortable with SG because of it had more seam, and he was not able to grip because he doesn't grip the ball this way. He grips somewhere like this, little unconventional, because they have always played with Kokobura ball. So he was good with this. Even Shane Warne, he was good with this because this is the ball that they play right from their childhood. But for us, it is SG Test. So SG Test, they will be seen. See, I'll show you the difference. Look at the difference. See the seam difference. This has a seam. Quite similar ball. This is also an old ball. This is also an old ball. But look at the seam. See how prominent this SG ball seam is. And the Kokobura ball, it's almost gone. You cannot grip. When you're bowling with this, you can always grip. Look at the grip. You can get that feel because of the seam. And when you talk about Dukes, this is the Dukes. See, it's quite similar to SG Test. It's very similar to SG Test. You cannot make out the difference. Only thing is that this is little darker and the leather is different, but everything else, the seam is same. See the difference. And this is where this is Kokobura, this is SG, and this is Dukes. This is the difference with these balls. And when you talk about SG and Dukes, I think you always seen English spinner, they never had a problem with SG Test ball because they've always bowled with Dukes. Indian spinners never had a problem with Dukes because they've always bowled with SG. So these two balls are quite similar. But the only thing is that Dukes, it doesn't get soft that easily. It holds up a bit more. SG ball, at times it becomes soft. That is when the challenge comes in. That is when you need to use the drift and the revolution to get more of the SG ball. But Dukes, it's little harder. It stays little longer, the shape that it has. But if you talk about the seam, it's similar, and there is nothing alien to it compared to the Kokobura ball. Look at the seam once again.